Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. This one is going to require some customer service experience because you are listening to phone calls, no talking involved though. You absolutely don't have to take any phone calls, and scoring them and giving feedback on what the customer service rep could do better. They don't require any kind of college degree though. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. You can also leave it in the comments. And of course, the goal of this channel is to make sure that everyone is living their happiest, healthiest life working from home. So if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with them. Now, the company is Ashton Carter. Now, this is a staffing agency. It is a very well-known staffing agency, though. Never fear, staffing agencies. They have connections to companies, and you could be hired permanently on with a company if they like you. But this company has 1,900 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor. They come highly rated with a 4.2 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rate. They are hiring a remote QA analyst for a call center. This is going to be a long-term 2-year contract. They are paying $25 an hour. Now, one thing to note about this, it is 100% remote, but they're looking for somebody who either lives on the West Coast in the Pacific Standard Time Zone hours or can work those time hours. But they are going to be needing somebody specifically working PST hours. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. This is going to be a long-term 2-year contract, even though this is a staffing agency. But they are basically looking for somebody to monitor, evaluate, and score a specific number of calls each month for its clients in order to provide an overall assessment of the call center and collections quality. You're going to then enter these quality scores into a database for tracking and reporting purposes, and you're going to take any quality issues and performance measures and use them to ensure the highest level of customer service to the cardholders while maintaining the integrity of the client. So you're going to audit, analyze, and manage call center adherence. You're going to audit representative examples of evaluations in call center locations to assess the accuracy of scoring, analyze results, and uncover any areas of opportunity for improvement. So you'll also help kind of develop improvement strategies from what you are seeing and hearing in these calls that you are monitoring. Now, this means that you may also have to do some employee training from time to time. As far as what they're looking for, though, they do want somebody who is experienced auditing or analyzing calls, somebody who's proficient in those Microsoft Office systems like Word, Excel, and someone who is proficient in either leading meetings or providing feedback, someone who has strong communication skills and who can work in a fast-paced environment. They are on top of the $25 an hour, though, offering a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, and 401k. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.